Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a real estate law practice with Real Estate Law Group, detailed guide step by step clearly. Building a successful real estate law practice requires strategic planning and execution. Start by conducting thorough market research to understand the local real estate landscape. Identify your target client base, which may include buyers, sellers, investors, and developers. Next, develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your vision, mission, and goals. Consider your value proposition and what sets your practice apart from competitors. Once your business plan is in place, decide on the structure of your law firm. Choose a business entity, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or limited liability company. Register your business with the appropriate state authorities and obtain necessary licenses. Focus on building a strong brand identity, including a professional logo and website. Optimize your online presence through search engine optimization strategies. Create informative content like blogs and videos that address common real estate legal questions. Network with other professionals in the real estate industry, such as agents and mortgage brokers. Join local real estate associations to expand your connections and visibility. Offer free workshops or seminars on real estate law to demonstrate your expertise. Utilize social media to promote your services and engage with potential clients. Develop a clear fee structure that is competitive yet reflects the value of your services. Consider implementing a client management system to streamline operations. Build a referral network by establishing relationships with past clients and industry professionals. Invest in ongoing legal education to stay up to date with real estate laws and trends. As your practice grows, consider hiring support staff to assist with administrative tasks. Ensure you adhere to ethical standards and maintain client confidentiality. Evaluate your progress regularly and adjust your strategies based on market changes. By following these steps, you can establish a thriving real estate law practice with Real Estate Law Group. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.